but I grew up in Pampanga.
Pampanga, grabe sir.
Really?
Talagang ano to.
The culinary capital of the Philippines actually. That's where I came from and I was born.
Yes. Oh, sir, if in case ano talaga, ano ba yung pwedeng ipangalan dito sa ano? Yung may target ba palitan pa yung
Actually,
pangalan?
it's Million Food Place.
Million.
Yes.
So, how are you going to spell it?
M-I-L-L-Y-O-N.
Y-O-N.
Yeah, Million.
Okay.
So when you
oh.
order there, you could write down Million, M-E-A-L-Y-O-n.
Great. Para bang ano na, premonition na yan. Parang
Yeah.
omen yan na in a few months or
Magiging million siya.
magiging milyon na siya. Well, so guys, titikman ko na to ha. Okay. Uunahin ko yung chicken.
Yeah.
Mm.
So that soy chicken is one of the recipes I learned with my boss before the Chinese.
Chinese. Okay.
So actually, ang benta niya nga dyan, quarter chicken na ganyan lang, 150 pesos just only for the chicken.
Okay. But here, sir, magkano to siniserve?
I'm actually selling this only at 100 pesos.
100
Quarter
pesos.
chicken, meal na siya.
Imagine guys, so 100 pesos. I'm
Sulit.
telling you, sulit na sulit to. Talaga. Ito na ha, tignan ko muna. Without sauce.
Lambot.
So tender. At ang lasa. Nako. Sir, wala pa ba kayong planong ipa-franchise to talaga?
Soon enough.
Naku, grabe sir. Dapat talaga tayo pinopromote ng mga ganitong klaseng food.
Actually, magiging style niya kasi is the Million Food Place is like hawker stall in Singapore.
Okay.
So, iba-iba siyang food stall sa isang place. So, actually, magkakaroon ka ng parang mini food court.
Grabe,
So, you got soy
grabe.
chicken on the side, you got yung nagtitinda ng fish and tofu, meron nagdi-dim sum, may nagsisiopaw. So, it's all in one place actually. But everything is concocted by me.
Galing, galing, galing.
So, just to
Talagang-
generate more jobs for more people.
Grabe.
Kasi ang-
Diba, nakakatulong pa ha. Grabe. So, tatry ko na yung sauce.
So the soy chicken is cooked for 2 hours, just imagine. Buti nga hindi
2
siya
hours?
natitimag. Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you cook this, sir? Steam
Actually,
or...
this one is being boiled.
Boiled?
Doon sa soya sauce liquid niya.
Okay. So, hindi siya marinated talaga.
Hindi siya marinated. Actually, directly boil natin siya. Yung raw chicken, i-boil natin siya. I-concoct natin talaga. Pinaka-sauce. Actually, the gravy is the sauce itself.
Wow, ito na yun.
Nilutuan niya for 2 hours.
So, yun ang pinakamalinamnam. Actually, di ba, usually pagka yung mga
Gravy sa fast food.
oo,
yeah,
yun
gravy.
yung mismong pinagpakuluan yun ng pinakamasarap. Dahil
Yeah.
nandun lahat yung lasa.
That's the essence of chicken actually.
Yes.
Literally.
Wow. The best. Parang nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Sarap, sarap, grabe. Bago ko maubos kagad to, sir. Titikman ko na tong
Puto cake.
puto cake. Actually, kanina pa ako natatakawan eh. Ang lambot, guys. Ang lambot, oh.
It's made of malagkit rice. So it has cheese and then itlog na maalat pa siya.
Ang sarap. Grabe. So, when do you plan to, where do you plan to,
We are already eyeing for a location soon enough, actually.
Okay.
By the first quarter of next year.
Okay. So, sir, please tell our audience where can they exactly
Actually,
locate you just in
still,
case they
actually,
wanted
You could still find me with my email address, chefbrianz07@yahoo.com.ph, or through my personal mobile number of 0917-847-6467.
Nako guys, kailangan nyo i-check to. Tapos pwede naman kayo umorder eh.
Yeah, actually,
you can just
online.
call our chef here, tapos coordinate with him, at para matikman nyo talaga.
Actually, that's also my Facebook pala.
Oo nga eh.
So my email address is also my Facebook. So you could add me up, you could like me or what.
Yes, for
Drop
sure,
me a
naka-display yung mga
comment,
ibang mga foods na natin,
Yes,
sir. no?
I'll put some of my food there.
Yes. Oh, this one, sarap, sarap, grabe. And ito muna,
Fish and tofu.
ito. Fish and tofu. I'll try the fish first. Okay.
So that's cream dory, tempura.
Seems like everything's so tender here, sir.
Yeah.
Talagang dalambot. Sarap. Walang bola, guys. Ang sarap, ang sarap. And I'm going to try the tofu.
Yes, ito.
Ito, this is
Yeah.
tofu. Yung tofu naman, sir, saan ang gagawin? Huwag niyo sabihin sa Taiwan pa o sa
Hindi
China
naman,
na.
galing lang yan ng Binondo.
Binondo. We're just the same. Mga authentic Chinese ang mga
Authentic pa rin.
gumagawa niya. Diba? And the steamed rice.
Galing Nueva Ecija.
Galing nga ba siya naman? So sir, how much is one order?
Actually, that's only 65 pesos.
65?
Yeah, with dessert and drink na rin.
Wow, nako, kung malapit kayo sa area ni sir, wala na kaya hanapin. Ang sarap, grabe, totoo lang. And this one, meron pa siyang
Pipino.
pipino. Kompleto guys, talaga.
So actually, ang alam lang natin, pipino pang salad. But this one, gives you the crunch, tsaka yung refreshing taste actually.
Crunchy yung pipino na sinurf. Sarap, grabe. Tapos meron pa siyang
Black beans.
black beans.
And then red bell pepper.
Talagang parang nag-add up dun sa ano lahat, dun sa taste. Ang sarap. Parang first time ko nakatikim ng ganitong klase ng ng
Chinese cooking.
Oo nga, parang Chinese yung food. Sarap. Grabe.
And then everything, wala siya bedsheet.
Yun. That's
That's
one
one
important
key
thing.
point.
Talagang
We're not
huwag
using
na kayo
any
gumamit
bedsheet.
ng bedsheet. Grabe. It's not good for you, believe me. Tapos nakita nyo naman kung paano prepare. Talagang
Mabilis.
Mabilis. Walang bedsheet, walang you just use the salt.
That's oyster sauce. and
Oyster
hoisin.
sauce. Oh, see? Wala nga salt. Pero ang
Yung lasa.
ang lasa guys. Grabe, believe me. Ang lasa. Kanin pa lang to Look. Kumapit na yung lasa sir. Oh, the best, the best.
And then also this, also may concoction na red iced tea.
Red iced tea.
Yeah.
Okay. Grabe sir Talagang
Lahat ako lang
hilig niyo ba talaga yan na
Actually,
Well,
pagkain tsaka business is also in my line of what na talaga.
I bet
Sa family
from
namin.
from experience na talaga. Doon yung masasabi yan The only way na makakapag-create kayo ng sarili nyong mga food, di ba?
Is through
Is through experience. Kasi makikita nyo yung mga different styles So gagawa ka later on ng sarili mo. And this definitely came from an experienced chef, like chef here.
Brian.
Chef Brian.
Friday
Grabe,
and
ang sarap.
Brian Zamora.
Brian Zamora. And I'm going
Culinary
to
consultant before. So
So
that's
ito,
the mini turon with pastillas.
mini turon with pastillas. So, and the sauce here is the
That's coco caramel.
Coco caramel. Personal
Gata.
rin to. Oo, si Sir din na
Concoction.
wow, grabe.
Yung nyug na galing Batangas.
Galing Batangas. So, may masyadong maluho tong
Maluho yung ano
niya.
ko talaga actually.
Pero sulit guys, yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo. Sulit to. Grabe.
Pero just imagine, that's only 40 pesos ang order niya. So you got the dip, you got the turon in a bucket.
Galing. Sarap ng combination, sir.
So you could still taste yung saba.
Saba,
You
yung
could still taste the pastillas individually, even with the sauce.
Tapos yung pag naunang pumasok yung sauce, syempre, ang sarap, grabe.
Ano sa yung style niyan, parang matamis na bao. Yung coco jam, pero lighter version. Super light.
Totoo. Lighter version, hindi siya sobrang tamis. And parang sarap na ikutin.
Hindi siya nakakasuya.
Wow, parang dessert.
Dessert
Pang
actually
ano?
talaga siya. And then also pang pika-pika while you're walking. Ganyan. Kaya siya na-formulate dito sa bazaar.
Wow. Sir, tatawag ako sa inyo.
Sure enough.
Nako, yung mga personal nyo, yung mga catering services needs, eto na
Yeah.
yung sinasabi niya. You ought to try this, guys. Grabe.
I'm also accepting yung personal chef services which is for dinner parties of 20 to 30 people. So kaya kung ako na mag-asikaso dun mismo sa place ng client. So kumbaga magluluto ako, magmamarket ako, kasama ako ng client. Kumbaga para ma-experience nila na
Experience sila.
mag-party sila na in a small group.
Wow.
Which is gourmet food, which is prepared by a chef.
Galing. Ubusin ko to, guys. Ang sarap talaga, grabe. Hindi biro, di ba? Sarap.
You have a sweet tooth pala.
Ibang klase, sir. Ang sarap. Grabe. The best. Hanapin ko to. Well, good thing na padaan ako rito sa
Sure enough.
BF Resort Las Piñas. And this is one of the best bazaar here in the Philippines. Talaga. At timing. Sir, can we still find you here next year?
Sure, if ever, by next year. Or try to find me on my place.
Alright.
Sure enough, by next year.
We will definitely be here again by next year. So we're going to see Chef Brian again, and hopefully next time mas marami pang
Food,
food
kahit
ang
taste.
ipapakita sa atin ni Chef Brian. Well,
Sure.
again, thank you so much,
Thank you
Sir
so
Brian.
much. Thank you.